how you can change dictation keyboard shortcut in Wispr Flow AI. So this is gonna be pretty simple. All you're gonna have to do is to open your Wispr Flow app, and once you are here, make sure to go to your settings in the left down corner area. Once you are here, go to general section, and at the top you can find shortcuts. So hold Fn and speak. It's right now set on my Mac, which is Fn key in the left down corner area. If I press it, I'm gonna dictate. So let me click on change if you want to change it. And here you can see all your shortcuts in Wispr Flow. And if you want to change that dictation shortcut, here is push to talk. Now it's set to Fn. You can change it and now press any key or mouse button to use it. I'm gonna set it back to Fn and it should be changed. There are also many other shortcuts where you can change your keyboard shortcut. Hands-free mode, it's set by default to Fn space. There is press enter shortcut. By default it's not set, but it's gonna trigger enter with a mouse shortcut or another key so you can send messages faster. And if you scroll down, you can see all that shortcuts which you can use with Wispr Flow. So that's basically how you can change dictation shortcut. If you have any questions, make sure to comment and also make sure to subscribe. See you next time.